Kids Can Be Big Helpers by Kenneth Braswell. There are more than 320 million people living in the United States. How can so many people get along? One way is by helping each other. Every day, millions of Americans help other Americans. Many of these helpers are students. Kids can be big helpers. Helping others at home and at school. You see people being helpful every day. At home, family members carry groceries or help do the dishes. At school, students help teachers clean up. Students help classmates with schoolwork. Helping others in the community. You see people helping in your community too. Some people help as part of their jobs, such as police officers. Some helpers are volunteers. A volunteer is someone who is not paid to do a job. Volunteers help to make their communities better places to live. Volunteers make a difference. Volunteering and helping others makes people feel good. Grown-ups volunteer. Young people can volunteer too. Everyone should volunteer. Keep reading to find out why. Some jobs volunteers can do. Read to young children. Raise money for special causes. Clean up litter in outdoor areas. Collect books or clothing for people who need them. Visit a senior center to brighten the day of an older person. Reason 1. Helping others makes good citizens. Helping others is an important way to be a good citizen. Good citizens pay attention to issues or problems in their community. For example, some people might not have enough food to eat. Or maybe children don't have a place to play outside. Different communities have special problems. Volunteers can work together to help in a variety of ways. When people volunteer, they learn to be responsible. They take action and try to fix problems. Being responsible also means being trustworthy. People who are responsible show up on time. Do what they say they are going to do. Stay until the job is finished. Reason 2. Helping others teaches useful skills. When people volunteer and help others, they learn new skills. One important skill is problem solving. Volunteers often work to solve problems. Here's an example. A group of students wants to raise money for the local animal shelter. The first problem is how to raise money. The students come up with the idea of having a pet fair. Then comes the next problem, figuring out how to put the whole event together. First, the students ask for help from other students and from parents. Some helpers make homemade dog treats. Other helpers make cat toys. Other helpers make posters. They also send messages on social media. Talking to people, organizing things, and working with others are all important skills. Reason 3. Helping others is good for people. Believe it or not, helping others is good for your health. Experts say that helping others makes people happier. They feel good about themselves. Happy people who feel good about themselves are usually healthier. Volunteering can also make you more successful. According to one expert, students who volunteer do better in school. Reason 4. Helping others is fun. Another good reason to help others is because it can be fun. You can volunteer to do things you enjoy. You can work with friends. People often make new friends when they volunteer. Think how nice it would be to help someone and laugh with a friend all at the same time. Ways to help others. One way to help others is to participate in a drive. In a penny drive, students ask classmates and parents to donate or give pennies. They collect lots of pennies. Over time, those pennies add up. Then the money is donated to people who need help. A penny drive is a great way to learn about money while helping others. Many families volunteer in places such as shelters. A shelter is a place where people live and receive help while they are looking for another home. Volunteers help by preparing and serving food. Volunteers might also talk and play games with people who need a friend. You can also help your community in small ways every day. Be a good example to others. Don't litter. Clean up after yourself. Be courteous to workers such as waiters and store clerks. All of these actions are part of being a good citizen. Start helping. There are many ways kids can be big helpers. You can help out at home or at school. You can volunteer in your community. Helping others can happen almost anywhere. There are many good reasons to help other people. Not only is it good for them, it's good for you too. Find a way to help someone today and every day.